Hey guys, welcome back. So when I first started affiliate marketing, writing ad copy was the hardest part since I do not know what copywriting is, what type of image or video to create. So if writing Facebook ads for affiliate offers from Clickbank or any affiliate like Buy Goods, Digistore, MaxWeb feels overwhelming for you, I've got good news for you today. So in this video, I'll show exactly how I use free AI tools to create high converting Facebook compliant ads in minutes. So even if you're not a copywriter, so I will walk you through step by step how to create your ad copy, your creative, so you can set up your ad campaign for success. So stick around until the end to see how I put it all together for real Facebook ad campaign promoting affiliate marketing product from Clickbank. So as you can see here, this is my campaign. Let me see the cost per purchase. So you will see the cost per purchase. This is the ad that I ran. This is ad 6, ad 2, ad 1, 14, 2, ad 5. Cost per purchase means this is the cost how much I acquire a client. So if let's say I am selling a loose weight product from Clickbank and I am getting like $130 per sale, how much I am spending to acquire a client, it differ, okay? Different ad set, different ad creatives varies. So here, if you will look at this, so this one is 332 pesos. So how much is this? 332 pesos. 332, it's $6. And here, it's 2,000. This one is 5,000. So I got three purchases here. This is a very hot ad set. Averaging here is per cost of all these ad sets. Okay, let's just take the average here per action. So it's 2,780, 2,00780. That's $36. So it's a good one, right? Okay, the very first thing that you need to do is, of course, know your product that you want to promote. Just go to Facebook Ads Library. Just click search the Meta Ad Library. I will just select all here. Category, just click all. And then you can just enter here your keyword, morning ritual. So you will see here for this month, let's say July, these are the ads that are active. Okay, so just go and look for those creatives or ad copy that works. So normally you will see the date here. So try to look for ads that are running longer, more than let's say 30 days. Okay, the more longer the ads run, the better for you. Say morning trick. What you want is the one who's driving curiosity. Okay, so for example, this one, 14 ads used in this creative. And this one is July 17. But let's pretend that this advertiser is promoting this ad for, let's say, more than 30 days. Just for an example here. So let's say this one is the creative that is currently working. So make sure it runs longer than 30 days or more. So you can use Sora. This is from ChatGPT, okay, to generate creatives for you. So for example, these are the sample creatives that I use either for my Facebook conversion campaign or for my Facebook page post. Okay, so this one, I just use this one. And here you will see different images that I asked Sora to create it for me. So for example, when you already do your research and found out some creative, so you can create a prompt how you want Sora create that creative for you. So if you are modeling this creative, then you can just go and put like apple cider vinegar. Let's say this one is the pink salt. Okay, this one is turmeric with ginger and rosemary. Okay, just for example, this is our prompt. So describe your image. And there's a size here. You can just aspect ratio. So you can use 3 by 2, 1 by 1, or 2 by 3. So I will just use here 1 by 1. Create an image with apple cider vinegar with rosemary leaves on the side, pink Himalayan salt, fresh ginger, and what else? What else? Fresh ginger and turmeric, right? Try the pink salt trick. But if you're not promoting pink salt, then you can just modify this and change this, okay? So you can just put and turmeric and a spoon full of the Himalayan pink salt and a small note that says try this salt trick. And then I will also include here, make sure that this image looks real and not AI generated. Okay, so once you already have your prompt here, just click create image. And by the way, you can use Sora for free. Okay, you don't have to pay anything here to generate these types of image. So let's see what Sora can provide us giving that prompt. So your responsibility is to do your own research. So deep research, okay? Replicate what is currently working with Meta Facebook ads by using their Facebook ads library. So it will take a while. So now here it is. So you will see here the salt trick ingredients. Wow, it's nice, right? Try this salt trick. So this one is, make sure, I'm just giving you an example here, but don't copy this. So make sure that you know what is the hook for the product that you want to promote. So if let's say this one is a morning ritual, ice hack, or whatsoever this one is, it's about the salt trick, okay? So here, what you can do is you can just choose which one you like. So I like this one since this is more brighty. And this one looks nice, right? So you can just go here. And this is where you can edit your prompt. You can remix. You can create a video out of this. And you can just go here and click download. Okay, next, if let's say you find some headline like this, 94% of people haven't tried this trigger curiosity, right? Or for example, this one, new pink eye salt. So this is the ad copy that this advertiser used. So for example, just pretend that this one is running longer than 30 days, okay? Based on your research, then all you need is just copy the ad copy that you will see here. So this is the ad copy, okay? Just copy this one. And what I use is the Chat GPT. You can instruct Chat GPT to provide you or create an ad copy for Facebook ads that is Facebook compliant. So it depends on your prompt. This one is ad copy. This one is headline. Okay? So ad copy, headline. And just create a prompt for Chat GPT on how you want to create your ad copy. So let me ask ChatGPT here. Okay, create me an ad copy that is Facebook compliant. This is the sample that is currently running on Facebook ads. Now create me a longer version of this, but let's say my hook is not salt trick, okay? My hook is about morning trick. So just replace the salt trick here with my own hook. Also, start with an intro to let my audience know that this is about, for example, the product that I'm promoting is weight loss, okay? This is about weight loss without saying it. And then include a CTA. CTA means call to action, like to learn more or discover the morning trick, click the button below. And then you just paste here that ad copy that you just from Facebook ad library. So this is the sample ad copy. Then just click enter. So this is the Facebook compliant longer version of your ad copy using your morning trick as the hook while keeping the structure and compliant tone of the original. So the scale kept creeping up and nothing was working until this simple morning trick started making waves. It's a quick and easy ritual that some women, let's say your target customer is women, are now doing before breakfast. And it has been quietly shared in certain wellness circles as a way to help support a healthy body and waistline. So no pills, no strict diets, just one ad routine anyone can try at home. Some even say it helps with energy and cravings throughout the day. Want to see how this morning trick work? Tap learn more and discover why it's gaining attention online. So if you like this, then just give ChatGPT a thumbs up. If you want to make a revision, let's say make this a first person like my story, then you can just put your prompt here. Okay, so let's say I will ask ChatGPT to create me different headlines. So create me variations of headline that works and Facebook compliant. Make sure to let my audience know that this is about weight loss. So for example, I'm promoting weight loss, right? So I will emphasize here what my niche is all about. So my audience would know that this is about weight loss, or maybe you are in dog training program, so just provide your niche here, or you want to promote DIY or manifestation, or let's say joint health or skin health, just provide chat gpt what is your niche is all about, and then make it short. Chat gpt will provide you, let's say 10, wow, how many you want, they will provide you. So this one, the morning trick woman, over 50 swear by. So this is good. This AM ritual is changing waistline. This is also good. Try this 7-second morning habit, and so on and so forth. How easy it is to use AI generated ad copy without knowing how to write ad copy and generating creatives using AI. So this is how I use AI to create profitable Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. No copywriting needed. And here's the good news. If you want to master affiliate marketing in 2025, I have this online course here in Udemy. So you can see here, this is a bestseller affiliate marketing program in Udemy. And here you will see a role play. I added this role play recently. So this is an AI assistant. So your assistant manager where you can ask any questions along your journey. So far, I have 538 students and 4.7 feedback. All right. So here you will learn everything that you need to set up a successful Facebook ad campaign promoting affiliate marketing product with Clickbank. You can see a preview, a snake-free preview here. And if you have any struggle along your journey, you can hit me an email, or as I told you, I added here a role play. So you can ask AI how to solve that issue, okay? Whatever questions that you have, then you can ask your AI assistant here. So that's the beauty of taking advantage of AI in generating money online, promoting affiliate marketing products. And here's my special gift to you. If you sign up today, I will give you a special discount so you can apply this Udemy coupon right now. So let's learn now and enter it here to get a big discount from me. And then just click apply. So thank you for your time. And if you have any questions that you want me to tackle on my next video here in YouTube, comment below this video so I will try my best to cover that on my succeeding videos. So that's all for now, and I hope to see you inside.